Why is the double-slit experiment considered terrifying? Because once you understand it, you realize that it completely overturns our understanding of the world and forces us to rethink the very nature of reality. So, what exactly makes the double-slit experiment so unsettling? The double-slit experiment was originally designed to determine whether light behaves as a wave or as a particle. Scientists conducted the following experiment. They placed a barrier with two narrow slits between a light source and a detection screen. Light was then emitted through the slits and projected onto the screen. If two distinct bands appeared on the screen, it would indicate that light consists of particles. If interference patterns appeared, it would suggest that light behaves as a wave. When the experiment began, scientists observed multiple interference patterns on the screen. This indicated that light passing through the slits formed a series of peaks and troughs, which interfered with each other upon reaching the screen, creating alternating bright and dark bands. This confirmed that light has wave-like properties. However, while the double-slit experiment proved that light behaves like a wave, some scientists still believed that light was made up of particles. They argued that if individual photons were emitted instead of a continuous beam, only two bands would appear. But when scientists conducted the experiment using single photons, they found something astonishing. Even when photons were emitted one at a time, an interference pattern gradually emerged on the screen over time. Here's the puzzling part. For an interference pattern to form, there must be two slits. So how could individual photons create an interference pattern? To resolve this mystery, scientists placed a detection device near the barrier to observe which slit the photon passed through. But here's where things get truly bizarre. When scientists attempted to observe which slit the photon went through, the interference pattern disappeared, and only two bands remained on the screen. This meant that photons exhibited both particle-like and wave-like behavior. However, the most shocking aspect of the double-slit experiment isn't the discovery of the dual nature of photons, wave-particle duality. It's that the act of observation changes their behavior. When photons are not observed, they behave like waves and spread out. But when observed with instruments, they behave like particles. This is what makes the double-slit experiment so unsettling. It shatters our conventional understanding of reality. In the microscopic world, particles can exist in a state of superposition, behaving as both waves and particles simultaneously. One can only imagine how strange and counterintuitive the quantum world truly is.